Hello and welcome back again. This is another exercise in the AutoCAD 2D drawing. Let's do this. Now let's get the dimensions and then we start. Okay, so looking at this, you can see we have two circles here. One is diameter, this outer one is 50 diameter, and then the inner one is 35 diameter. Okay, and the center to center distance here is 80 millimeters. Okay, if you check this one too, you have the diameter, the inner one is 20 and the outer one is 30. Okay, then there is an arc over here which is having a radius of 166 millimeters, and if you look at this one, it's the same thing here. Now there's another circle here, and it's we're having a polygon with 6 sides. Okay, and the corner to corner distance is 20. So, and there's an angle formed here. This angle is 35, and the center to center distance of this drawing is 70 millimeters. And there's another arc here with radius 50. Okay, so let's begin to see how we are going to draw it. So first of all, we open our AutoCAD and we take the circle command, center to center diameter. See, now click anywhere, enter your diameter of 50. You zoom out. Now press enter again to repeat the command, and then you enter a distance of, if you check the second one, is 35. So 35. Good. Now let's draw the other circle. The other circle is also having a diameter of 30. So we bring our mouse to the center of the circle. You don't click, you drag to your right. Make sure the green line is there. You drag to your right, and then you enter the distance, which is 80. Okay, the circle will come. Now what is the diameter of the circle? 30. Press enter again. There's another circle with diameter 20. Okay, so we are done with this one. I'm not really sure about this circle. Let's check the diameter. It seems it's too big. Yeah, I see it's too big. So you draw it again, center diameter, which is 35. Okay, so this is the correct one. Now there is, let's try and draw this one here. Okay, so we will just draw a straight line of heights 70 for the distance 70. Okay, and now there's a circle there. The circle is having a diameter of 35, so let's do that. Center diameter 35. Good. And there's a polygon which having 6 sides, so select polygon and says enter number of sides is 6, so you enter 6. You press enter. Now specify center of polygon here. Now it's asking enter an option, inscribe or circumscribe. Now if you look at this, it is an inscribed circle. Okay, I'll explain this later in a different video, how the inscribed and circumscribed polygon works. So this one is inscribed, so just take inscribed circle, and then it's asking for the radius of the circle. So they give us a diameter of 20, so the radius will be 10. So enter 10, but make sure before you enter the 10, make sure the edge is pointing to this one with the green line on. Okay, so with this one we are done. Now you can see there is an arc here with radius 50. So you take your fillet command, fillet, and then R for radius. Okay, let's select object. So let's do it again. Take your fillet command. Now click radius. What is the radius? 50. And you press enter. Now select this. Select this, press enter to repeat the command again. Click this one. Now you see we have it, but you can see this is at an angle of 35 degrees from this center line. Okay, so you select all of it and then enter RO for rotate. Press enter. Now says specify base point, so this is our base point. You click and you see it's rotating. Now we will enter an angle of 35 because it's just 35 away from the center line. So enter 35 and you see your angle will be formed. Good. Now there's an arc over here, 166. So to do that, go to the circle command, select tan radius, click this circle, enter 166 for the radius. See, let's trim this one, trim here. Okay, now you can mirror this one, so just select it, click mirror, click here and click here and select no. Okay, all right, so our work is actually done. Now we want to add center mark to the circle. You can go to annotate, you can see center mark over here, or you can enter shortcut CM for center mark and then you click this and click this. All right, but you can see this center mark is not like how you want it. It's supposed to be in line with this one, so just select it, enter RO for rotate, and then the base point, click here. Okay, and then enter angle of 35. All right, so it will be in line with this one. Now you can select this one and drag it to the center of this one. Good. So as you can see, the work is done. Remaining dimension, so let's dimension our work. But before then, I'll increase the line width. Now let's reduce these ones to the lower. We don't want this one to be too big, so let's reduce it. Properties, then line width, let's reduce it to, let's say, okay. All right, now we can even give it a different color, but let's deal with the dimension first. So just go to select diameter and then dimension this. Let me reduce the line width. So select by layer, select this one. Let's select this. Okay, so pick this so that the lines will not be too thick. Let's dimension. Okay, now dimension this one as well, and then we will take a linear and dimension the center to center, which is 80. Okay, and then linear again for this side, which is 70. Okay, this place you have to take a line because it is inclined. Let's take a line and then measure from here to here, which will give us our 70, and then a line again for the edge, which is 20. Okay, so I'll put all the dimension. I'll select one and then right click, and then I'll just go to select similar. It will select all the dimension. Let me click here to select similar for you to select all the dimension. Okay, and then I'm going to create a layer and put all of them on it. So create new layer, give it a name. You can change the color as well if you want. And then yeah, so that's it. Let's close it. Now select that layer and put this one. Let's select similar and put all of them on it. Select this one, select similar, click this one, so right click, select similar. If you like, you can select them one after the other, but you see, now put it on that layer. Let's give it over here. Okay, so you see it's on the layer as we want. Alright, so thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video, and I'll attend to your questions in no time. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.